Meet the gazelle, nature's symbol of speed and grace. These elegant creatures are built for the wild with their slender bodies and long legs. With their keen senses, gazelles can detect predators from a distance and dash away at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. But they're not just fast. Gazelles are experts at staying hidden, blending into their surroundings to avoid being caught. And check out this move. Their signature high jumps are called pronking, a behavior scientists believe might confuse predators. The gazelle, a true survivor, balancing speed and beauty in the wild African plains. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.